Hey guys, it's Kai here, and I'm going to do recent squishies that I made. I can't really say them. And my shirt is inside out and the wrong way. It's not inside out. Hello Kitty. Yeah, it's inside out. I'm sorry. So, first squishy that I have been recently making is my cake roll. On top it says cake roll and it's green and it has like sparkly dots. Look how squishy that is. Yeah. Okay, since we're talking about cake rolls, I have made a very, very small one, like badly. Can you see it? Let's bring you up here. So down there. Okay, next I have it. There's this like pink fish that is very gorgeous, and I made a squishy, and it's all pink, like it's like pink and white, and let's get pink fish. He's gonna be in my room. Here's pink fish, and I decorated out this squishy. And it's not just pink and white, it is rainbow. Oh, it's the wrong way. And if my friend Abby, if you're watching this, you did not redeem your homemade squishies that I have made you, so I'm going to put them for sale. I'm sorry. Today was the last day, so. Next, I have this microphone squishy, and it's really squishy, like squishy. You can't really see it because it's packaged. It's really squishy. These are all like memory foam squishies. Next I have is this squishy that I really, really like, and it's for like school, but it's like really small. It's this pencil squishy, and it's really squishy, and like and if you want one of these squishies, just contact me. Really squishy, guys. I actually made a iBloom Peach, but I have not like put it in its like packaging. So here's the iBloom Peach. It has a booty, sorry, in here, and like there's like black spot, but like it's covered down, and it's really squishy, guys. Like, oh. Real squishy. That was like weird silence. Next, I have this shortcake, and it's vanilla, and it's not my it's good actually. So. Next, I have this very, very small tanker squishy, and it's the mosquito. Okay, and the last one is like really small. It's like this, like you can't even see it. Oh my god. Now we have to bring you up here. I can't like. So yeah, and that's my video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Oh wait, this is a macaroon that I'm not selling because it's really weird, but it's really squishy, and that's what we have all today, me and Pink Fish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, cuties!